If you wake up with stiff knees, aching joints or painful movement, listen carefully. What if the real reason your joints hurt is not your age, not arthritis, and not wear and tear? What if it's something your body has been quietly losing every single year, and no one ever told you about it? Today, I'm doing a deep, honest review of Collagen Refresh, a supplement that claims to restore joint comfort, flexibility and mobility naturally. Before you buy, watch this entire video, because I'll also show you how to get my $497 Joint Health Bonus Bundle free. Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're searching for Collagen Refresh reviews, chances are you're dealing with joint pain, stiffness, knee discomfort, back or hip pain or reduced flexibility. This video is designed to help you decide, without hype, whether Collagen Refresh is worth trying. What is Collagen Refresh? Collagen Refresh is a natural dietary supplement designed to support joint health, cartilage strength, flexibility and mobility. It's based on a simple idea. As we age, collagen levels drop dramatically, and collagen is the foundation of healthy joints, cartilage and connective tissue. When collagen breaks down faster than your body replaces it, joints become dry, inflamed, weak and painful. Collagen Refresh claims to replenish and protect collagen naturally, helping joints move more smoothly again. Benefits: what Collagen Refresh helps with. Here are the key benefits people are buying Collagen Refresh for. Supports joint comfort, helps reduce stiffness and discomfort by nourishing cartilage and connective tissue. Improves flexibility and mobility. Many users report easier movement, especially in knees, hips, shoulders and hands. Supports cartilage health. Healthy cartilage equals smoother joint movement with less friction. Helps with inflammation. The formula is designed to support a healthier inflammatory response. Natural and easy to use. No injections, no prescriptions. Just a simple daily supplement. This is especially appealing if you want to avoid painkillers or harsh medications. Honest pros and cons. Let's be real, here's the honest breakdown. Pros: targets the root cause, collagen loss, natural ingredients, easy daily use, designed for long-term joint support and good option for aging joints. Cons: not an overnight miracle, requires consistent use, and results vary based on age and lifestyle. If someone promises instant joint repair, that's usually a red flag. Collagen Refresh focuses on gradual, natural improvement, which is more realistic. Results and what to expect. Most users report results in stages. Week 1 to 2. Reduced stiffness, especially in the morning. Week 3 to 4. Easier movement, better flexibility. Month 2+. Noticeable improvement in joint comfort and daily mobility. This is why many people choose multi-bottle packages. Consistency matters. How to use Collagen Refresh. Usage is simple. Take the recommended daily serving. Best used consistently. Combine with light movement and hydration for better results. No complicated routine. If you order Collagen Refresh using my link below, you'll get 3 powerful joint health bonuses free. Bonus 1. Joint Pain Relief Movement Guide, $197 value, a beginner-friendly PDF with gentle daily movements designed to support joint mobility and flexibility. Bonus 2. Anti-Inflammatory Joint Nutrition Plan, $167 value, a simple food guide focused on reducing joint inflammation naturally. Bonus 3. Joint Longevity Habits Blueprint, $133 value, daily habits that help protect joints long-term, posture, sleep, hydration and recovery. Total bonus value, $497, free. So, is Collagen Refresh worth it? If joint pain, stiffness or limited mobility are affecting your daily life, Collagen Refresh is absolutely worth considering, especially when combined with my $497 Joint Health Bonus Bundle. Click the link in the description to secure Collagen Refresh. Unlock your bonuses instantly and start supporting your joints naturally. Thanks for watching, and take care of your joints.